Hi guys, and I'm in my half grandma's car, Michelle, and that is Kamdon and Ryder, my friends, and we are having a pill war. Ow! And there's a Coca-Cola pill. We're getting whacked with it. Ow! And he has this rich burner. Get one and send it to me. I want one. Wow. Oh God, that scared me. That hit the top.
Good for you.
Hey, stop hitting the phone, dude. Oh, I'm taking his iPad for defense.
All right, you guys start looking out your window.
Oh,
There's a tornado place.
There was a tornado that was at some place.
Which way's left?
That way. Out this way? Yep.
And it is gonna be out my side, so I am watching. You're just up against.
It was in Smethport, by the way. Bradford, oops. Chopped trees?
Yep, you're going to see the trees that are cut right now. The tops are cut right off of them.
A lightning bolt actually struck my Papa Liam's house.
See one
Where?
around this corner. I can see the top of it where it was sheared off.
Look out the window.
See them all?
see it.
Look out here. See them now?
Yeah.
No.
Look right here, Adrian.
Poor little tree.
Holy
crap.
See?
What? Oh, that one.
See? All that?
Did you guys see it? Oh, look at those down there.
Yeah, look at
Those are the ones.
over.
Poor little trees. There's more.
Adrian,
Look at this
up,
one
look
back
up
there.
here.
Tape it.
Oh, look, there's some more back there.
Look at all these ones.
You probably can't see it. There's
Holy
some
crap.
over here. I'm watching the camera to see if you see it.
Oh, look at that one right down
It's
there.
see it?
uprooted.
Yeah, that one's cut right off, sheared at the bottom.
Oh my! Oh no, he was not.
Wow, they're cleaning it up already. They're burning.
Oh my God! Look at all
I
of
didn't realize
those.
tornadoes could be
Isn't that crazy?
Dude, they can destroy houses.
Yeah, I know.
They sheared them off just like they were toothpicks.
That was on fire.
Yeah.
Oh, that came right out as a roof.
Yeah, look at, oh, here's a couple in this.
There's over there.
Yeah.
There's some over there.
There's a bunch of. They have a lot of work to do.
Wow.
Yeah, they do.
I can't believe actually the bridge aren't
Thank
destroyed.
goodness it was just the trees.
No
that
trespassing or
pushed
something.
outside.
Whatever
Holy
that's
crap.
Wow.
Come back there.
Oh my! Why are they all like the trees are like? They got.
Trees are real shallow roots.
Oh, there's one back there.
That
You
was
see
not
that?
even cool.
Oh my! That's.
Here's some around here. Oh, look at this one.
Oh, we're going past.
Oh, baby.
Right past them.
Those ones must have been on the road. What the? It might. The tornado
wants
might
to-
have gone on the road.
Yep, cross the road a little bit.
Who wants to continue?
Ryder,
war.
Ryder almost said tomato. Sure, let's do it.
And that's pretty crazy.
Holy crap.
Say that's better.
Give me that.
No.
Aw.
Kamdon wants it. I want it more, Kamdon. On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad do you want it? A 10?
Nah.
That's a 10.
Focus over here. If you guys want, give Adrian 20 likes and I'll put it on my teeth.
He already did it.
Ouch.
Yeah, in my next video, he will do it against his neck or teeth, one of them.
I'll do teeth again.
Did you guys leave yet? We're headed to
He will do.
McDonald's.
Yes, McDonald's.
Wrong, sir.
But seriously, give me 20 likes on this video. He will seriously put it on his teeth.
Right? Ow.
It's already hitting his teeth. No, none of you can see that.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Bye bye.
Yes, we are.
For 10 seconds if you give
Turtle and a half shell. And guys, we are signing out.
It ain't my fault. Peace out.
Peace out. You just did that from FGTV.